Ever wondered which YouTube niches are set to explode in 2025? If you're looking for ideas that can generate serious revenue without ever showing your face, you're in the right place. Welcome to Cash Cow Automation. Today, I'm breaking down 7 profitable yet underrated YouTube niches, along with real-life examples and a proven strategy to help you get started. But first, what's your biggest struggle with launching a faceless YouTube channel? Drop a comment below, and let's jump straight in. 7. Viral footage and unbelievable moments. People love watching crazy, unexpected, and jaw-dropping moments caught on camera. This niche is not only easy to produce, but also massively popular, with some channels pulling in 20+ million views per month. For example, Mad Labs curates shocking real-life events, and some of their videos have crossed 40 million views. You can tap into this niche with a well-structured content plan. How to start? Find viral topics by searching for insane moments caught on camera. Collect content from Creative Commons videos, Instagram, and Facebook clips. Edit short, high-energy compilations. You don't even need narration. Scaling up to grow faster, consider outsourcing research, editing, and content management. Aim to produce at least 150 videos to build momentum. 6. Tech reviews and software tools. People are always on the lookout for the best apps, plugins, and software to make their lives easier. That's why this niche remains highly monetizable and evergreen. A great example is Now You Are Share, a channel that covers WordPress plugins, online tools, and software recommendations. Their videos require minimal effort but bring in serious revenue. How to build your channel. Identify trending tech questions on Quora and Reddit. Outsource research, scripting, and video editing for efficiency. Stay consistent. Tech content has a steady demand year-round. 5. Wildlife and Animal Kingdom. From fun pet facts to wildlife documentaries, animal-related content never goes out of style. This niche has huge viral potential, and it's easier to scale than you might think. Take Dogs Whiz, for instance. Their breed-specific content earns them $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Meanwhile, Wild Range generates $20,000 plus monthly with general wildlife videos. How to start research animal facts that spark curiosity. Use stock footage and free editing tools like HitFilm. Record simple voiceovers using your phone for a natural feel. 4. Military and defense technology. The world of military strategy, advanced weaponry, and defense history is growing in popularity, yet competition remains relatively low. If you enjoy researching tanks, fighter jets, and military tactics, this could be a goldmine. A solid example is Military TV, which covers everything from tank breakdowns to military comparisons. This type of content has long-term appeal. How to stand out? Pick a niche focus, e.g., submarines, fighter jets, or military strategies. Commit to at least 60 to 90 videos to establish credibility. Use high-quality visuals and expert narration for maximum engagement. 3. Aviation and aircraft enthusiasts. Aviation is a niche with a dedicated and passionate audience, yet it's not as saturated as other categories. From historical aircraft to modern aviation tech, there's plenty of content to explore. Take Lucas, a channel that focuses on aviation history and rankings. His content is engaging and appeals to a global audience of plane enthusiasts. Your game plan: research trending topics related to aircraft and aviation history. Enhance videos with stock footage and 3D animations. Write engaging scripts that combine facts, history, and expert insights. 2. Automotive reviews and car comparisons. The auto industry has a massive fan base that's always searching for car reviews, comparisons, and industry news. Whether it's luxury vehicles, budget-friendly cars, or classic automobiles, this niche is built for success. Look at Top Cars TV. They upload just 1 or 2 videos per month, yet pull in $15,000 to $25,000 monthly. Their secret: high-quality, in-depth content that attracts dedicated viewers. Why this works. Car fans are loyal and highly engaged. Evergreen content keeps generating views over time. Minimal upfront investment compared to the massive earning potential. 1. Alien mysteries and space. Exploration: UFO sightings, space conspiracies, and unexplained phenomena never fail to intrigue. This niche thrives on curiosity and speculation, making it one of the best for audience engagement. Simply searching aliens on YouTube brings up millions of viral videos. If you can craft content around extraterrestrial theories, government cover-ups, and space discoveries, you'll have a channel with huge viral potential. How to get started? Find trending alien-related topics, UFO sightings, NASA leaks, etc. Write suspenseful, curiosity-driven scripts. Use high-quality stock footage and animations to create an engaging experience. Final thoughts. If you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel, now is the time to take action. Whether you choose viral footage, aviation, or alien mysteries, these 7 niches offer huge potential in 2025. To grow faster, consider outsourcing editing, research, and scripting so you can focus on scaling. Need help getting started? Feel free to reach out on Instagram. If this breakdown was helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more YouTube automation tips. See you in the next one. See you in